Hello everyone, it's Matt again with PITCHcrm, bringing you another video in our Getting Started with PITCHcrm series. This video is all about forms and creating forms in PITCHcrm, and also we'll kind of review what tags are, as tags and forms are very closely related. So in the contacts menu, you'll see the option for Tag Manager and Form Creator. I'm going to jump over to our Form Creator to give you a little idea about what you can do with pitch forms, and then I'll explain how the tags are related. So in the Form Creator of this demo account, you can see a couple different forms that have been created. A sign up for our newsletter, sign up for our Masters Sunday Potluck, Tuesday Men's League, all sorts of ways that you can use the form creator to collect registrations for specific events, or really anytime you need to collect information from your customers. And here is the sign up for our newsletter form, the base version of it. And what happens when your customers submit this, their information is automatically added to the pitch database. If their email address was already there, it's just going to update their contact record with new information or new details. And then it's also going to tag this customer with whatever tag we have created and choose when creating the form. So if we generate a form, you can enter the title, which would be newsletter, and then we can choose whatever tag. And the tag is very important so that you can identify the contacts who have actually submitted this particular form. So I would recommend having a specific tag for every form that you do create. And then, so we'll choose the tag, enter the text for the button. We can customize the color scheme of the form. The base colors are what you see here with the gray background and gray button. So you don't have to choose any specific colors if you are shooting for something simple like this. However, you can use the color customization to match your branding on your website or wherever you're going to publish this specific form. And then on the right side, we can choose what fields or what data we want to collect from the contacts who submit it. So email, first and last name are automatically selected. We can choose phone number, any of the fields that you see. There are some custom fields that you can use. Let's say it's for a golf event. You can ask for a handicap or shirt size or whatever, and you customize the heading. You'll see in just a moment. Then you can also add email notifications to yourself for whenever this is submitted. So you will receive an email anytime your contacts submit this specific form. Redirect links. So once it is submitted, you want to redirect to another web page. So once we generate the form, we are given a link that you can use in an email, or create a flyer with a QR code using that link. And then also an embed code that can be placed on your website. And here is what the form looks like that we just created. You see there's our custom field where it adds the form field title, and then your contacts can enter the information requested. And when submitted, it's going to tag me with e-newsletter tag. And what you can do with the tag is then you can come into List Manager and create a a list, a contact list around that specific tag. To create the tag itself, you will do so in Tag Manager. So there's a bunch of different tags in this demo account, but you can add a new one, whatever you would like. You can, when you add a tag, you can go through and select contacts that you want to tag with this specific one, but we're not going to add any in this case. And once the tag is created, you can then choose it within the form creation. In the video where I went through dynamic campaigns, the automated campaigns inside of Pitch, I mentioned creating a birthday club inside of Pitch, or using Pitch to create your birthday club. And part of that process is using our form creator. So you can create a sign-up form for your customers to submit their information, their birth date, and join your birthday club to receive a promotion email around their birthday. And the email will actually be created as a dynamic campaign in Pitch, and you can get it all done right inside of our platform. So we'll create this birthday club form, choose my birthday club tag, and enter the button text. And this is much more than giving out promotions around the birthday. The purpose behind a birthday club is to capture correct email information and have your contacts submit that themselves. So they are much more likely to give up their email address when they are receiving an incentive to do so. And this works out much better than trying to have staff ask for that at check-in. A lot of times staff is just too busy to ask every customer for their email address. So you can use the birthday club sign-up form and even create a birthday club flyer to place throughout your golf shop. And that flyer will have a QR code on it linking to this form. So beyond the birthday club, I mentioned earlier, you can collect signups for a newsletter that I'm sure you've seen on websites that you've visited, or signups for specific events, and send that form out via email and have people register for that event. And when submitted, it will tag them with a specific event tag that you create as well. But that's the gist of Form Creator and using tags. Pretty quick and simple, but probably one of the most functional features and all frequently used features that we see in PITCHcrm. Check out the description below for links to our previous article or previous video, and another video that's coming next will cover landing pages, calendar, and the reservations menus within PITCHcrm. So check those out, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.